In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade on Webull Mobile. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to tap on Markets at the bottom, the second tab. And now from here, you want to go and find whatever you want to trade. So what asset? Now you could go with stocks, options, or whatever. I'm just going to tap on stocks, and it's going to give you like Europe, United States, global, etc. up top, like you can see. And then at the bottom, you also have the option to basically search for a specific symbol. So for example, if I go down there and type in, for example, Apple, which is this is the kind of their icon, I'm gonna tap on Apple INC, and as you go, as you can see, we can find Apple over here, and then you can go ahead and basically see everything regarding Apple. Now at the bottom, you'll then be able to trade, but I'm going to show you this on my demo or my paper trading account over here, so I'm not wasting my own money to show you this. And in here, I'm gonna go into stocks again, and I'm gonna look for Apple. And there we go. This is what you're going to see. So as you can see, like at the bottom, if you scroll down, there's going to be like all the info, all the data, etc. And then you can tap on trade at the bottom, and it's going to open up this trading here, okay? I'm currently again in paper trading, but of course it's going to be the same on your real account as well. Up top, you have your chart. You can change that, do some analysis if you wanna. And then you have the side. You could either buy or sell over here. You can select a limit or a market order. So market will buy or sell at the current price. Limit order will buy or sell at the price you actually specify under limit price at the bottom, and then you can just select the quantity as well of how much you want to purchase or sell. And then as you can see, it says estimated total just below. It's changing whenever I'm changing it. And then select your time in force, and then just tap on trade or buy or sell at the bottom, whatever it says. For me, it says paper trade because I'm on my paper trading account. And there we go. As you can see, it went through, and that's essentially how you trade. You can then go back, you can go ahead and sell, etc. Okay, now that's how you trade on the Webull mobile app. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.